Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make donuts the easy way. First, gather your basic ingredients such as all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and active dry yeast. Next, activate your yeast by dissolving it in warm milk, around 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. Then, combine your dry ingredients in a large bowl, add the wet ingredients, and mix until a soft, pliable dough forms. This initial step is crucial for a light and airy donut. Once your dough is ready, place it in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. This proofing process is key for fluffy donuts. After rising, gently punch down the dough and roll it out on a floured surface to about 1/2 inch thickness. Use a donut cutter, or even 2 different sized round cutters, to create your donut shapes and the centers. Don't forget to save those donut holes for a tasty treat. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Once fried, remove them with a slotted spoon and place them on a wire rack to drain. While still warm, dip your delicious donuts into a simple powdered sugar glaze for that classic finish. To truly customize your donuts, consider adding various toppings. You can sprinkle them with colorful sprinkles, drizzle with melted chocolate, or toss them in a cinnamon sugar mixture for extra flavor. For storing any leftover donuts, place them in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will stay fresh for up to 2 days. They are best enjoyed fresh, of course. Also, for other great kitchen solutions, like those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check out the links and other deals in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.